what we're seeing is honestly pure pandemonium and chaos.
That's close.
I took off, ran down, grabbed my wife, told her we gotta go, get the baby ready. I don't know when I first saw my house being burned down. I don't know when I realized everything was lost. All of that is blank.
What happened is this is property genocide.
If you looked at our family, it goes black, white, black, 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 white, black, Asian, white, black, black, Asian, white, black, black.
That wolf has just always been there. And now to scare people away and tell them that Altadena is not for sale.
If I don't keep something here, we won't have it. It'll be taken away. We gotta do it together. I'm not gonna be happy unless everybody back.